Yep. All right, I'm over here. This is their engine area. This is the kind of stuff they're going to have at LKQ. So let me show you how this works. They'll have an engine tag, like this is a 2020, came out of an international. It's a Cummins, and it'll tell you bearing sealed by, I don't know what all that stuff means, but it'll give you the serial number and it'll give you all the information. So when you call over here, you'll probably talk to Kerry. He's the only sales guy in here. And here's an old ISM, and you'll tell him what you're looking for. He'll punch it into the computer, and he'll find it, and then he'll find a tag and be able to even get you pictures. Here's a PACCAR motor. They used to have a full gear shop, a full transmission rebuild shop, but they closed it down. I don't know why they would do something silly like that, because you would think they'd have a bunch of work. But yeah, this is all to their gear department. All right, here, you want transmissions? We got transmissions for days. Everything. Let's see what this is here. There's a 2021 transmission out of a Volvo, and if you know how to read that tag, it'll tell you. Looks like it's automatic. Yep.